Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, January 22nd, 2019, okay? And I just posted a signal for US dollar, Swiss franc, USDCHF right here, okay? And if you look at this one here, it says buy, okay? I mean, it's going to go up, right? But if we look at the chart, okay, on the chart here, we see that we do have an up arrow, all right? This we know for sure, and it will go up. But the overall trend is bearish. It's showing a red histogram right here, meaning that it's getting ready to form a downtrend. So it's going to go up a way. It's going to retrace and go back up, and then it's going to shoot down even further. All right. If we look at the next higher time frame, the 4-hour chart. All right. I always start with the 1 hour. If we look at the 4-hour, we see that it is just getting ready to form, a bearish trend. Okay, we got a red histogram, and we got this red candle forming, and the previous candle was a doji effect. If I zoom in a little bit, we see that it was a doji, like a cross right here. Okay, so that usually indicates a strong reversal. All right, so it's fighting, but it's definitely getting ready to go into a downtrend. Now this is going to be over the next few days, maybe the remainder of this week, that is going to keep dropping. Okay, so now essentially now would be a good time, if you want to trade long term, to place a sell trade. Okay, and if we look at the lower time frames, the 30-minute shows buy, and the 15-minute, on the 15-minute we see that it is just starting to go into an uptrend. All right, if we drop down to the 5-minute, we see even better that it's going into an uptrend right now. Okay, so now how far up will it go before it comes back down? We don't know. I don't think it'll go too far. What I think it'll do is probably come up to about this level here. All right, it might retrace a ways for the next couple hours and then hit this level and drop even further. If we draw a line right here at this level of resistance, okay, and we go back to the H1, we see that that would make about perfect sense, right? It could go a little bit higher than that, but considering this is going to a downtrend, I don't think it's going to go too much further. Okay, this is probably about how it's going to go, and then it's going to shoot down even further. I don't even think it's going to form another red candle. It's probably going to keep dropping and eventually form another green up arrow. Alright, so with that said, I would not place a buy trade. Even though the signal says buy, I would place a sell limit for this line right here. Okay, and how you do this is come over to new order, and where it says market execution here, make sure you change your lot size. Where it says market execution, go to pending order, and then go to sell limit. Alright, and then just input that price right there in the red color. Put 0.99, I'm going to put 740. Alright, just round it up a little bit. And take profit, I'm going to put 0.99600. Okay, that should be plenty. And then place, and then this is the entry point where it says sell limit, and the red line here is your take profit, your TP, for 140 pips. Alright, so that for me, that would work out perfect. I know that it's probably going to drop much further than that over the next couple of days, but overall, that's what's going to happen. Alright, we see that I already have a trade open, because I thought this was going to a downtrend, and then it just tricked me all together and shot back up. And I know this has happened to a lot of other people, but I feel strongly now that it's definitely going into a downtrend. If you look at the daily chart, daily chart has a down arrow, and it's in a downtrend all as well. Okay, so technically I could not use a take profit at all and just let it ride. Alright, and I may do that, but for now I'm just going to leave it as is and get my little bit of pips and be done. And once that closes, then I'll look at the market at that point in time and make another determination if I want to go for, for more pips. All right. So this is my free daily signal. Let me know if this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There's a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. You can contact me anytime you want. Also, there's a link below for my private Facebook group. Okay, if you have not joined my Facebook group, I ask that you please do so. You can post any questions or comments there as well, and myself or other traders can assist you. Okay, if you have not joined my Telegram Signal group, I invite you to please join that as well. Just contact me on Facebook and say that you'd like to join my Telegram Signal group. Okay, so with that said, thank you and have a wonderful day.